How to add music to Snaps and Snap Stories. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Log into your account. Then, simply on the top right, you'll find Sounds option. Click on Sounds. After you've clicked on sounds, you'll find different sounds in here. Scroll down to search for sound. You can also click on the search bar and search for the specific sound. Click on the sound and then the sound will be selected. After that, click snap as you want. It will automatically add music. You can drag this anywhere you want, which is the music icon, and press on send to at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you can click on my story and also click on people you want to send it to as Snap. After you have selected, press on arrow at the bottom right corner of your screen and you're good to go. This is how to add music to Snaps and Snap Stories. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.